collectors and car lovers, happy Father's Day. 14th, Orcutt Donut Derelicts, Father's Day car show. Should have about 300 of them out today at least. This coastal racing rig is ready. Sling some serious sand with this beast. This guy not messing around. I need it. Nice. All right. Start looking around today. See what kind of cars we got. They're still rolling in. Rolling in. We have over 300 cars here today, I'm sure. Parking lot's already filling up. Got them out. Already. Start a little walk around here. See what we got. National, the Fury. The Fury. Beansgower. My favorites. Talk about an adventure mobile. The Switzerland Beast will take you anywhere you want to go. Seriously low gearing on this thing. Like it. GT 5.0. Love the paint job on this thing too. Dialing it in. Looking good. Super nice engine. Shelby Ford Performance Roche.
I love your video.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. All right, another Mustang. And then the Mach 1. Love this green. That's a nice color. That's a good looking ride right there. All right, hopefully I can get everybody in today. It's going to be a crazy one, folks. See, start at one end and work my way around, I guess. Oh, pick 'em up truck, 3100. Nice looking patina. Cruising that and get some real work done too. 1949. Chopped and lowered. Jet black and not a spot on it. Beautiful. Another one, another custom. Patina machine. Cruiser. Buick Riviera. That's looking nice as well. Nice job on the interior. Style Masters. Chevys. The Mercuries. It's a good looking ride. I like that. Serious chrome. The Critics. Critics of Santa Maria. All right, parking lot is filling up. Wheelie machine, show me, yeah! Good man. All right, got the Porsche. Street racing. All right, nice looking motorcycle there, young man.
Thank you.
Looks like fun. Always is. Tell ya. Nice. That'll get you where you want to go in a hurry, I bet. All right, the Nova SS. Always a collectible ride. Everyone loves the Nova. Subaru. Ah. Subaru BRZ. Good racers. Oh, the losers. This thing's awesome, dude. This thing is pieced together. All right. Hey, excuse me, sir. Would you mind telling me a little bit about your car? Last time you was telling me, it was you pieced this thing together, and it's bad, dude.
Thank you. Yeah, it's fully scratch built. It's an Oliver tractor grill at front. Hand-formed aluminum hood, 28 Pontiac cowl. The sides are the roof off a VW Beetle.
Yeah.
Trunk is a 50s Ford F-150 hood.
No way, really.
Quarters are a late 30s Chevy hood, and then the valance underneath is a Model A hood side.
Oh, the Frankenstein mobile, man. It looks seamless though, dude. Yeah. This thing sounded awesome when it came in too.
Thank you.
Keeping this engine looking spotless, man. You're doing it upright.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. And I heard last time you parted with it and got it back because it was destined to be yours.
That's right.
That's right. I know. Woo. Yeah, thanks for bringing this thing out again.
Thank you. Yeah, I built the body in high school.
Yeah.
Moved out of state, sold it, bought it from a friend.
Nice. It just looks so much fun.
Thank you. It's a lot of fun.
And you did a great job on it too.
Appreciate it.
I love the way you piece it together because it looks like it's, you know, seamless. You know what I mean?
I
It's
tried
just,
to paint it like it was always this way.
exactly. Yeah. I mean, yeah, all the pieces fit together so nicely. It's cool.
Thank you.
Nice. The Ford GT350. Mustang 65. Beautiful red. Liking that.
Yeah, I just need
It's a little Tiger. The Tiger. I know. That's a beautiful
I
machine.
know, I love it.
Little V8 in that thing,
I
man.
know, I saw that.
Yeah, just get you a shoehorn and throw a V8 in the Tiger.
I'm the perfect size for it.
You need it.
I do.
The Morgan T4 convertible. Always a classic. Impala. If you have an Impala, don't sell it cheap because they are super collectible. Everyone loves their Impalas. Alright. What you got going on over here? Oh, another one of my favorites. Oh, brought out the Slug. The Slug. Check that thing out. Morning. Man, talk about a Frankenstein mobile. Bo knows how to put them together. Just put a boat transfer case in there. Serious engine. You can even drag race this thing. Nice. I think it does what in the 10s or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. The Slug. All right, another little street racer. Little pickup truck will get it done, folks. Liking this thing. That's right. Got the meats on the back. Foil. Dialed in. Fleet side action. Right. This place is getting packed. Looking good. Another good looking truck. Like that. And check out the bicycle action. That's cool. Really like that. Little Mustang. That. The Volkswagen bus. The Beeble Faster. Windows galore. You've got the air conditioning on. Open those windows up. Who needs air conditioning? The Rad Bus. The Beetle Fest.
Thank you.
Nice. Air conditioning's on and everything. Right. Little VW Beetle. Looking good.
I know, it's nice.
We got them. We got them, folks. They are out. They're out. Ready to play. They're still cruising in. Old school pickup truck. Got the British mobiles. Right. Continue my little cruise around here. Yeah, this engine looks nice. Love that intake. Cool. Beautiful K5 Blazer. Love that stance. Tires and rims. Look, sweet. Good choice. Whoever owns that one. Another Mustang action. The Nova SS. Always a good choice. Another SS. 398. Nice. Owl induction. We got the little dump truck even. Get some real work out of this thing. Way to go, man. Gotta like that. Chevy pickup truck, built from the ground up. Look at that thing. Most people's coffee tables don't even look that shiny. And it's dialed in. Check out the rear end on this truck. Yikes. Totally custom. Looking good. 3100. Always a nice ride. Check out this one. 1947 Chevy. Beautiful engine in that thing too. Like it. The Bel Air. Bel Air action. 396. Getting it done. Riviera. Another gasser. Early times. Early times is fun time. I don't like that. Another Ford F100 dialed in. Love the color combo, red and white. Interior's beautiful. 1953, the Draggers, California. Dragging, getting it done. Another Chevy Nova. Another one of my favorites, the Studa Shaker. 1949 and still looking fine. This one will shake you. All right, start it up and figure out which balls come out. See if you're a winner. All right, look at that Cadillac. Long and mean caddy. Check out this. Oh man, what a beauty. You got it like that. Totally spotless red. Engine's beautiful. Interior's dialed in. Hey, made it. Good. El Camino 327. You're down veteran owned. Thank you for your service, sir. Look at that. The 289 Malibu SS. Customized. 300. That was what they did with the rear window. Used to be dual, made it one. Changes the whole look of the station wagon. Looking good. Moving on in, the MG. Another one, Fred Fat Iron. A little close up of the engine. Doesn't normally open her up. Ford Motorsport. Love the flames. Fred Fat Iron did a great job. Built this thing from the ground up too. Not messing around. All right, check out this. Sizable. Love the paint job. Like that. The yellow thing pops. Good. We got them out here today, folks. Whatever you want to see, it is here. Check out the original engine on this thing. Price tag $770. Oldsmobile. Wish you would have bought it then. Check out the flames on this one. Gotta love that. This is one sweet machine, folks. I like it. Fairlane. This one's dialed in, customized too. What a good machine, man. Look at that. In the Deluxe Cruiser. Deluxe. 3100. Another cool looking Chevy. Trucks are out. Love the color of this one too. That's nice. Great job on the interior. The bed's looking good. Wow, nice restoration on that one. Look at that. Check out the ranch wagon. The Dalmatian Mobile. Thunderbird Ford Power. That. All right, Spot, what do you think? All right, check out this firepower Chrysler truck. Gotta like that. Looking good. Ford Mustang, the 302. They're still rolling in. And their machine. Ford F100 Patina. Machine, I like that. You don't need a new paint job with that. Looks cool the way it is. Alright, convertible action. Applause. Still cruising in. Pickup truck. Alright, 2500. Brand new with a Duramax. Another Impala. Talk about a collectible machine. Everybody loves their Impalas. And they're everywhere. Yeah. Highly desirable car, folks. All right, the Wild Turkey. Love this one too. Street racer, man. Getting the job done with some Wild Turkey. I think you could even power it with Wild Turkey if you really wanted to. Try it out. The El Camino. Good looking machine. Hey, thanks for bringing that bike out. Looks nice. Keeping it clean, aren't you? Camaro SS. The old Corvette engine in there. Chevrolet Thrift Master. Nice looking patina. Rims and tires. Looking good. GMC pickup truck. Sneaking in here, competing with the big boys. Another newer pickup truck. Vortex Max. All right, here we got an original Rambler, American. Totally restored. You don't see too many Rambler Americans in up there. 56. The D Pedro of this pickup truck. Did a great job on the paint job. Great job on the restoration. One of my favorites, the Mad Max. Do not mess with the Mad Max. He uses VW Beetles for traction. Do not get in his way. Machine guns actually operate. All right, we got the axe. We got everything. We got the chains. We got the train whistles. We got the chain steering wheel. Whatever you need, the Mad Max has it. Their survival machine. Mr. Mad Max. Gotta like that. Spend some time on this one. I like it. All right. Cruising around here. Got a lot to go. 59 Ford 100 built from the ground up as well. I think beautiful battleship gray with the red pinstriping. Nice looking truck. Another El Camino. Nice looking engine in this one. Doing it right. Nice restoration on this thing. Another one built from the ground up. Custom Chevy 20. I love color too, even the name. The Raspberry Cream Sickle. Dialing in. All right, filling up the parking lot. Even got them along the sides here. Oh, look at this Bel Air. A beautiful cruising machine right there. You gotta like that. Gold, root beer brown. Helix Chevrolet Impala. Station wagons. More mini bike action. Right, love this Ford Bronco. Man, whoever put that together did it upright. Beautiful. Love the red and black, customized. Check out this Impala. Convertible auction. Is that a beautiful car? Oh, gorgeous. Man, dude. Hey. Man, that thing's nice. Look at that. All right, I don't want to miss them all. I got to make sure I go down all the rows. All right, they are still cruising in. Good looking Chevy. Love that orange. It pops. Oh man, it's Bel Air action. Hey, how's it going, friend? All right, Ford Mustang. Bel Air convertibles. Soto family, 1955. That's a nice looking Bel Air. Sotos are out in force, strutting their stuff. Right, brand new Ford Bronco, good looking machines. Right, hey, how's it going? Good seeing you again. Good seeing you again. All right, Cars and Coffee. Too bad it's the same day as the Elks, but go to the Cars and Coffee in the morning and then head out to the Elks.
I'll sell it to you right here.
I'm ready, man.
Famous.
Right, Ford dealership, ready to strut their stuff.
Welcome in.
Yeah, we got the electrics,
Yes,
we got
sir.
the Broncos, we got the Explorers. Get
Got
on
it all.
down. Get on down to Cars and Coffee. Get some free test riding. Free cup of coffee and a donut and a test ride. Can't go wrong. Then head on to the Elks. Oh yeah. All right, another good looking ride here. Ford Raptor, always a desirable truck. One of my favorites, the Misbehavin'. You are misbehaving when you drive this thing. This thing is radical. I love the intake on this thing. That just looks sweet. Give me some air. Need some air, man. That thing will give it to you right there. The old Ford pickup truck. Looking good. Look at that. The old 1941 school bus.
I think it says 49.
Is it 49?
Yeah.
Okay, 1949.
1949. 49.
Yikes.
School bus. Teddy's Ross.
Yeah. It's even older than me, and that's hard to do. All right, we got the school bus and Mr. Nice Cream. This thing is beautiful, folks. Not a spot on it. Built from the ground up. This thing was a wreck when he started on it, and it just came out awesome. Talk about a restoration. That's just beautiful. Liking that. Cannot go wrong with Mr. Nice Cream. Even the undercarriage is beautiful. Dude, they know what they're doing. All right. It's like another K5 Blazer action. Liking that. Good. All right, car lovers, we got them out here. We're ready. You go, man, you go. Fair enough. Liking that. Whoa. Wait. All right. Got the motorcycles out here. Good. Nova SS, the barn find. Less than 1,000 miles on this beast. He's a beauty. 955. You won't want to go over 1,000. It'll spoil it for you. The Toad, Myers Manx Mini, highly collectible.
Yeah, what is it? That's the way. It's like a little.
Yeah.
Not even the Myers Manx. It's less.
Yeah, this is a Meyer Manx Mini, which is a
Oh, is that
highly.
what they call it? The Mini.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
okay.
actually got the label on it. It's a highly
okay.
collectible.
Oh,
yeah, because
wow,
it's actually got the Myers Manx. A lot of knockoffs, but this one they have a whole club.
Even better. Wow, I didn't know that.
This thing's
Cool.
awesome.
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. Look
Yeah.
at everything about it.
I know. The Monte Carlo action.
That's something I didn't even know they made.
Yeah, I know, exactly, yeah. Yeah, looking good. Check out this ride. And the Dodge 300, love the rims and tires on this thing. All right, this one good looking pickup truck. A lot of modifications on this thing. The Raptor action. Got the custom shocks, custom rims and tires, look good. About a 2015 Slingshot SL, Little Bob's machine. Get you where you need to go in style. And a 72 Mercedes, 427 Chevy in it. Drop her in there. No smog required. Like this convertible. Like that. Impala action. Man, not a spot on it. Man.
Triple black is right. He's the only one that guessed it.
Exactly. The Dirty Nickel Mafia. Thanks for bringing this beauty out, man.
Thank you.
That's one sweet ride.
Thank you.
Liking it. Got the Santa Maria Kudos Car Club Chevrolet pickup truck. Looking good. Look at that. He always keeps his engine looking beautiful, dude. Spots is chromed out. Like this one too. Oh, easy boy. Watch those switches. Easy boy. There you go. The Master Deluxe. Another Deluxe. Original air conditioner on it even. This thing's looking nice. Yeah, beautiful. Maria Nudos strutting their stuff. I like the gold color on that one. Another Impala, 1963. Love the purple people eater right there. Good. Chevy pickup trucks. Look at that. They're El Camino. Got to sneak back here and show you the back end. Got some serious scuba tanks on the back of this thing. Yeah. You ain't gonna get no work out of this one, just fun. Nice. This thing can go underwater even with those scuba tanks. All right, here we go. El Caminos lined up, ready for action. Talk about an El Camino, Loopers at 84. Looper CO family. Oh, check this one out, Looper 65. This is one beautiful machine. I've seen it many times, but it's always worth a second look. This thing is just dialed in, folks. Every inch of it is etched out. Love the paint job. It's El Camino. Check out this engine. Man, it is not messing around. This is ready for any car show. Beauty. Their El Camino action, the 396. Gets you where you need to go in a hurry. Nice little Bel Air. SS 396 El Camino. They're still cruising in. We'll fill this parking lot up. There you go. Looking good. Nice. Harley Davidson's rolling in. What else we got? Oh, check out this caddy. Love that paint job. Yeah, the work of art right there, folks. Cadillac Brome. Man, this thing is a beautiful machine right there. Ford Mustang rolling on in. And back to this Cadillac. Ay caramba. What a beautiful ride. I love the blue on this Chevy pickup truck. What a nice color. Custom camper. Old school 20. He's done a great job on the engine on this thing. Thing sounds sweet. Alright, we are ready. Okay, another one. Don't forget, June 28th, Central Coast Cruisers, Biddle Park. Get on out there. Want to see what you got. Alright, they are out. Impalas. There's another beautiful deluxe convertible. 1947 Chevy. Nice. Look at that. Another Impala action. Beautiful convertible. 1956 Bel Air. I don't see this color combination very often, but it rocks. Look at that. What a nice restoration on this thing. Oh man, check out the engine too. Nice. Sweet. I'm gonna put a lot of love and time in this one. Is this yours? Oh man, this is nice. I love the color combo. You don't see this? No, not at all. Nice restoration. And the Bel Air action. Look at that. Good looking machine, that's for sure. Check out the engine on this one. Looking good. Original engine in there, it looks like. It's spotless though. All right. Keep the cruise going here. We got to get them all. The GTO, always highly collectible. And then the Thunderbird. No car shows complete without the Thunderbird. Yeah, it's your car. Your car's beautiful. And I think it matches you. I think you look. That's right. Well, thanks for bringing it out again. I love the looks of this thing. Keeping it looking good. Another Lincoln Town Cars. Then the 90-mile-an-hour mini bike. Every week it's different. Dial this thing in, run it on methanol now. Cyril starter, save weight. One of my favorites. Like this, the T-bag. Love that exposed engine look. Always sounds cool when it rumbles in. Long live fuel altered. Another cruiser. Like that. La Reina. Cruiser machine. Then the gasser. Love the gasser. Roll caged out. Sounded great when it rolled in. Love the patina on this thing too. Hey, how's it going, Bo? Thanks for bringing out the Slug. That thing's awesome. I love seeing that thing.
What did you glue it?
All right. Look at that. W bus. Good. Still cruising in. Beautiful, man. Knocking it. Hey, the neighbor even. The Brap 78. What's going on, dude? Chevy Scottsdale. Good looking pickup truck. And the little bouncing amigo.
It's here again.
My little amigo. He needs to bounce. And he needs a beautiful paint job. Tires and rims. Magazine worthy. He's been in a magazine with this one. My little amigo. Let me introduce you. Oh, we even got the parachutes on this street racer. Parachute, Chevy. Nice, roll caged out. Ready for some street racing action. Oh my, look at that. Ooh, turbo. Serious intake on this thing, folks. No wonder he needs a parachute. Hit the gas too much in this and you will need the parachute pop.
He's got 3 in the road.
Oh man, then the Tempest, Le Mans. Oh man, another drag racer here. Dude, this not messing around, serious horsepower, folks. Liking this one too. 87 Buick. Another street racing machine. Oh my. It's turboized myself, man. Roll cage, turbos, beautiful intake. Oh, what do we got rolling in here? Oh man, let me go camping. All right. All right, they are out. They are out in force today, folks. Fighting like a real man. Hot Wheels version. Looking good. Liking this thing. Got them. And they are ready. The Light Christian Car Club represented with an AMX. Roll caged out. Look at that. We got, check out this paint job on this. Dually. Yikes. Could be in 2 counties at the same time with that truck. Light Christian Car Club again. Beautiful. Look at that Chevy. Jet black. Deluxe. S10. Little go-kart action and mini bikes. Another good looking Chevy pickup truck. Of that green machine. Some modifications on that engine, a little turbo action on it. For sale for this one. Look at that. The 427 Camaro SS. Look at that. Looking good. Look at that. Sweet. 72 Chevelle. Look at that. That's looking good. Another Impala. Said the Impalas, all the rage. All right, we still got them cruising in. 1947. Cruising like that. Little Porsche action. Like a parade of cool cars coming this way. Hey, the boys are out. The boys are ready. Ready to strut their stuff. Another deluxe machine. How's it going? Good to see you. I like it. Got them hopping and popping. Liking that. Looking good. Sounding good too, man. Still cruising on in. Look at that. Hopping and popping. Here we looking rides, folks. Here we look. In the Dodge. Playboy machine. All right, what else we got over here? Gotta get them all. My goal of the day. You look at all these awesome rides. Ford Mustangs, always nice. Pickup trucks. Just don't hit anybody. All right, I like this. GR. Don't see that one around too often. Little carbon fiber on this one. Nice. Like the looks of that. It's a good looking little ride. Speedster action. Customized beatnik machine. It's always nice. The beatniks in Coolsville. Now we're gonna check out that interior. Dialed in. Mustangs. Give another view of the paint job of this dually. Man. Dude, the Titanic. It means it. Check out the rear end of this thing. Oh man, totally customized. Oh, I love the etching.
I ordered them like
The Elevated Car Club. Dude, that thing's radical. The Impala, customized. Geo Tracker. Another good looking Bel Air. Green Machine. 1957. Vicks 57. All right, Orcutt Donut Derelicts, the Bearded Dragon, our mascot. Say hi to the Bearded Dragon. If you need a pet that doesn't bark at you, get yourself a Bearded Dragon. All right, check this one out. Ah, Lincoln Continental. Wow. Looks in great shape too. Check out the engine on this beast. Liking it. Right. Keep up, cruising around. Got a lot of cars to go through. Get that beast out. Ready for some Baja action. What else we got? Good looking pickup truck. Look at that. That's red. There's Chevy 10. It's a cool pickup truck. Cool. V8 350. Look at that. Customized the back end of this thing. Little hydraulics on it. Way to go. Perfect plumber. Perfect plumbing solution. It's a good looking truck. GMC ready. I like the Chevy convertible there. That's nice. Unique paint job, that's for sure. Yeah. The Caprice. More. Everywhere you look, you got the cool cars coming out of the woodwork. All right, where have all these cars been hiding? Orcutt strutting its car loving stuff. Well, check out the Metal Flake Purple. Not messing around. Like that. Hydraulics, beautiful paint job. C10, 350 action. We got him out. Beautiful orange Camaro SS. Love the rims and tires on that one too. Yeah. Another SS 454. Get it done. Get her done with the 454. Good looking intake too. K&N. Thing will breathe.
Yeah.
Oh, one of my favorites, rolling in. Nope, no place to park, man. Can't get here late. No donuts for you.
I'll do donuts.
Oh, donuts.
I'm not eating donuts.
Closer look at the pre-runner of the seats. All right, 1951.
Hey, congratulations on your last award.
Hey, I like that. Looking good. Older than me and it looks a hell of a lot better too. Look at this thing. The deluxe machines are out.
That was Bozos.
All right. Got the station wagon. Get the whole family in this for the cruise. Some metal flake on the top. Looking nice. Okay. Don't want to miss this one. Monte Carlo. Touch of style. Guadalupe. Nice pinstriping. Where Mia? Ah, there's even Sony TV in there even. That's so cool. Get a little close up here of the engine. Yeah, God, it's one beautiful ride, folks. He's a beauty. Got the Ford Mustang, City of Saints, 1950 convertibles. Like that. Pontiac 8. Cool. Liking that. City of Lights. What else we got up here? Old school Bel Air. Two-tone it, man. Looking good. We got them out here. This is craziness, man. Hopefully I can get them all, folks, because they are coming in from all directions. Santa Maria Drifters. This is a good looking ride too. Love that color. Looking good. I like that. Impala. Another good looking Impala. Talk about a cool red. Chevy Impala's right here. Got it going on. Cruise like crazy with that. Silverado diesel. Nice stance on that truck. 3x3. Some serious work done with that beast. Good looking pickup truck. Root beer brown. That's got over here. Playboy. Mopar Madness. Hey, what's going on? We got the V8 machine. 1939. Split window. Highly desirable car. Nice restoration. Looks all original. Cool. Still cruising. 1939. Check out this one too. Nice. Make sure I get a little close up of this Porsche over here. GT3. Little Ricky Racer right there. Ricky racing it. GT3. Like that. Cruising on in. Porsche Speedster. Low and mean. Like that. 1956. Little Corvette convertible. Old school cool right there. VW van. Window machine. VW vans are highly collectible, folks. That's Mercury. Mercury Madness. Little hopping and popping here, huh? The low riders. Alright, Modelo time. Wheelie machine here, man. That car's looking up. Oh, dude. Check out that caddy. Nice. Cadillac. Boulevard Riders. What else we got? Fill up this parking lot, folks. Fill it up. Looking right there. Another sweet Impala, man. Love that color. You don't see that too often at all. Yeah. What's the name of that color?
Tiffany green.
Tiffany green. Yeah, that's that. Rocks. Nice restoration, dude. Tiffany green machine. You don't see that too often. Another deluxe. Look at that red. Nice hood ornament even, man. Wow. Like it. I like the original dash. Doritos Car Club. Old Ford pickup truck. Sounding good. Yeah. Yes. Luxury Sport. 350 Malibu. And the Raptor. Hey, this thing's nice. Jet black. Good stamp on this thing. Raptor machine. Brand spanking new. Raptor Bronco. What an expensive machine right there. 340 Magnum. Nice ride. Street racing machines. Look at that. We got Chryslers. Regular car, but still looks cool. Close up of the exposed engine look. Show the engine. Disneyland teacup steering wheel. Yeah, pretty cool. Pre-runner action. Nice. 1939 Ford. Still looking nice. Spotless too. Buick Riviera. Classic cars. The deluxe machines. All right, here we go. For sale. Give them a call. 1955 Buick Special. 18,000 bucks. Best offer. Liking that. It's a good looking machine. Could be in your garage. Give them a call. Buick action. Love the red on this one. Thing pops. Love the interior, red and black. Nice. More looks at the special here. It's in good shape too, though. Chevy engine and transmission. 3-speed. 1956 Bel Air. Soto. The 55 Bel Air. Another 56. Liking that. Beautiful. Radical machines. Harley Davidson rolling in. Ready. Nice. Good looking Harley like that. Good looking Ford Mark 1. Like that blue. Another cool looking Chevy rolling in. Right, adventure seekers, car lovers. Corner of Clark and Bradley and Orcutt every Sunday. Happy Father's Day again. Place is rocking. Okay, free to enter. Stay as long as you want. 10 o'clock. Aida and Ray put this together. Give away some cool gifts. Be here or be square. This is the place to see the nice ride. Look at the gifts. Ready to give away. All right. Of course, we got Ray's custom machines. Aida Business Coupe. Good job, Ray. Thanks for putting this together, man. Aida 350 stroker machine. Business. She cruises with us machine. The 1972 pickup. Ray put that together from the ground up as well. Check out the International. New engine, new transmission. Original patina. Tires and wheels. This thing's cruising it. Car's still coming out. We get the details on this one. This one's even for sale. This could be in your garage. All it takes is some serious green, and this could be your machine. Could be yours. 75, 1935, Ford Coupe, 3 windows, steel body. Give him a call. You cannot go wrong with a machine like this in your garage. You may not want to open your garage. You don't want to get it dusty. Beautiful. Thanks for bringing it out. Hope you get what you want for it, but you'll miss it once it's gone, won't you? You will. It's like one of those things where you want to sell it, but once it's gone, you're like, oh man, we should have never sold that. Mad Bombers. Do this one too, Sunday, July 20th, Pioneer Park. Get on out there. It's a free car show. Check out the Bonnie and Clyde mobile. Look at that. Cool. Love that. Bonnie and Clyde action. Another close-up of the Slug. My favorite machines. Quarter-mile special. We'll do it. This thing will get it done.
I've never heard it fire up, so I'm gonna stick
The little Corvette special. Love the lines on the Corvettes these days. That did a good job. I love the morning. Yeah, I love the lines on the new Vets. They're just sweet, man. And I like the color choice too. That burgundy. All right, so anytime you just want to give it away or something, you let me know. I'll trade you my slingshot for it anytime.
Okay.
1968. Dude, like that. Serious stereo in that thing too. Love the red and white. Oh man, that is one beautiful rally sport Camaro action.
Oh wow.
Man, you can eat off that engine.
Yeah, bro, you make eggs on that shit too.
You can warm up your food and eat right off it, right there. Dude, that's beautiful. All right, we're still cruising in, cruising out. It's the place to be. Orcutt Donut Derelicts, rocking it on Father's Day. We have got cars, trucks, Volkswagens, mini bikes, camper vans. Need them. Hey, morning. How you doing? Getting good, folks. All right. Keep cruising around. Make sure I don't miss anybody. If I missed you, sorry about that. You'll have to come back next week so I can get a better view. Don't be shy.
Don't be shy about this Kia either, Bob.
All right, that Kia's nice, man. It's a Kia. It's got soul, at least. It's got soul. Ah, Ford XC55 project. I've already shown this to you, but it's still worth another second look. 66 Pontiac. Spotless black. Black's a beautiful color. Hard to keep clean, but once it's clean, it looks hot. Yeah. All right, bringing out those rock front ready toys. CRF 100. A couple Yamaha, 3 of them even. Ready for some fun. Rolling out, rolling in. Don't leave too soon. Looking nice. Love that thing. Holla. Nice rims and tires. Cruising on through. Looking good. Oh yeah. Liking it. Oh yeah. Dirty nickel mafia. Ooh, looking Chevy, Bella. Alright, another something stuck in that I haven't got. Keep walking around, trying to find them. This place is a zoo. We packed this parking lot. Thanks again to Ray and Ida for putting this thing together.
That's right.
That's right. Ray and Ida rock, man.
Great day. Great turnout. Amazing turnout.
I know.
Are you going to say hi to him? Okay.
So find Ram too then.
Right. You got
I'm
him.
going to buy him off Ram. I saw she's talking to me.
All right, the Kudos. Barracuda Mopar Madness. Sneaking in on me. Don't want to miss it though. Love this red and black color combo. 340 Magnum action. Mopar. Cool 41 Impala. That's that. Looking right. C10 machine. I like the Guamster here. Like that. You don't see these. This is unique right there. Right. Another look at the go-kart. Go-kart machine. Cruising it. Hubcap world, Clovis. Yeah, spent a lot of time in Clovis, man.
Oh man.
Hotter than snakes there, but
Yeah.
cool town.
Cool down though. Yeah, I like it too. I like it. Shit.
Yeah. All right, the 1915 machine.
So I already had from surgery.
How's that original engine, folks? We got 4 cylinders of meanness right there. 1915 Model T touring car. I like that. Okay.
Stand over.
Here we go.
Engage it right over about here. That's your hand.
Fire that beast up.
Snap it up hard. Don't go over about noon. Don't go over what? Noon? Straight up. Yeah.
Straight up.
So just
Kick her in there. Oh yeah. Runs like a top. Over 100 years old, folks.
That is so cool.
So good.
Yeah.
It's the way to do it.
And the spring. That makes sense. I thought you had to go
These
all the
things
way
will go
around.
anywhere.
A little bit. Get out of the way.
Right, cruising it. All right, car enthusiasts. Put up the back of the Slug. Little boat V-drive action even. Don't see that too often. That's the way to go. Drag races this thing. Turn the axle upside down. Boat V-drive it. Actually drag racing this beast. What an invention. Oh, it's the way to go. Knows what he's doing. Frankenstein welding. The patina that you won't forget. It draws some attention at every stoplight he stops at, I'll tell you that.